This is a phone. I'm coming to replace the battery. The first thing you have to take out the two screws down here. Okay. Then you remove the SIM tray. To one side. Okay. Then you open the phone right around. It's a bit hard, but just force to open it. It's a clip right around. Take out the back cover, put it one side. Okay. Take out these two screws here. Remove this panel on top. This panel have a clip here, so you just open it and push it down. Like this. Take out. Okay. Disconnect the battery. Okay. Then remove this plastic. Remove this transparent one first, then hold this green one and pull it. Pull it. Take out. Okay. Now it's time to fix the new battery. Put it inside very nice. Okay. You fold the cable like this. Just bend it to meet up the battery terminal side. Make sure you fix the battery first terminal here. Very nice like this. Okay. Then you put the battery inside. Make sure you use plastic up. Okay. Fix all this plastic very nice. Fix the battery very nice like this. Okay. And fix back this panel. Replace the two screws that you take out. Okay. Then put back the cover. Start to close from the top because the top have a clip. Like this. Then close it down. Okay. Close the window. Replace back the two screws you take out. Okay. Put back the SIM tray. Put the phone on charge. Okay. Now you need to charge the phone. Okay, for full charge before you use the phone. Okay, because sometimes the battery is 50%, 60%. You still need to turn the phone off and charge it full charge before you use the phone, so the battery will not spoil because it's new battery. Okay, now the phone is charging, the battery is good, that means it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.